crazy. Ever since I became the #1 contender, I haven't gotten no win yet, bro. This is disgusting. Oh. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to get some wins by any means necessary. I'm just saying. Where is Estelle at? Supposed to be going to see the office building. Always late, I'm just saying. Hey, Estelle, where you at? You know we gotta go downtown to check out the building, right? Yeah, like you're hella late. Like, this isn't what I hired you for. All right, I'll meet you down there, I'm just saying.
I'm just saying.